Download the app now!
CLIF is an abbreviation of City College of Tagaytay or CCT Locator in Finding Facilities. Let's start with the login. Enter a nickname and press confirm. Next, after the loading screen, the welcome screen is shown to the user. Let's say the user wants to go to the School of Computer Studies. The user can search the destination name, or they can press the categorical search and select College Building, and then select the School of Computer Studies. Or they can literally scroll down and find the School of Computer Studies. Hey, don't forget about checking on CLIF on the side. Before we search, let's click on the profile menu and see our favorites and history. And there is nothing to see. Let's go back, and now let's click on School of Computer Studies. CLIF needs to access the camera of the user's phone, so it needs permissions. Depending on the phone's settings for security, a user needs to say yes or agree whenever a warning prompts. If a black camera screen occurs in the scanner even after agreeing, you can press cancel and reselect your destination again. Position your phone in the QR code spot nearby. The QR code scanner speed and accuracy depend on the position of the QR in the scanner frame. Once a loading screen shows up, CLIF already detected your starting position and is ready to start the route. The unpacked 3D model version of City College of Tagaytay is shown just like in the preview feature, and a label that says, "You're here," will appear at the exact spot where you scan the QR code on the digital map. A green tracing line will appear and scout your way into the specific destination, like here for example, the School of Computer Studies. Upon arrival, information on the chosen destination will be displayed on the screen, as well as a picture of the destination in the real world, where the user is facing forward. To remove the information, you can press the X button on the right side, and to put it back, you can press the I button. Now, to guide the user from the starting point, the user may press the View Path button below the information. Upon clicking, the camera view will pan once again on the starting point. And now the user can pinch to zoom in and out the map and see where the green tracing line is going. The floating yellow pointers indicate that the flight of stairs is part of the route to the destination. The floating red pin is the indicator of where the destination is. The user can feel free to roam around the map during the View Path button is clicked. As you can see, it became the View Destination button. Once clicked, the camera will pan back to the target destination and display the information again. A star outline at the corner of the information display denotes if the destination is added to the favorites or not. Click the star button to light it up. Once lit, the destination is already on the favorite segment in the profile menu. Let's go back to the welcome screen using this back button. Now head over to the profile menu, click favorites, and let's see if there is a School of Computer Studies to be found. There it is. Let's go back and also check the history. There you go. Now, if you click the destination from the favorites and history segments, you can press it already there, and you may now proceed with the scanning of the QR code nearby once again. And that is the basic guide on how to use Cliff. Now, let's try logging out. Click the profile menu and press log out. Let's just say yes to Cliff for now. We enter a new name, so favorites and history are already cleared. Let's try this new name and press confirm. Now, in this welcome screen, let's go to the profile menu and check its history and favorites. And now, there is nothing. That's it. Thank you for your wonderful interest and support for Cliff.